As we have discussed the organization of nervous system in my previous lecture and also introduction of nervous system, let us practice some of the questions, what we have learned. So for it is taken from Cunningham Physiology, 6th edition. So which part of a neuron is primarily characterized as the information receiving component? Which one is the primary area for information receiving component of a neuron? It should be dendrite. Dendrites are the primary area where they receive the information from other neuron. Even though the cell body, the axon of other neuron also form the synapse with cell body. Cell body also they receive the information. So the synapse which form with the cell body, there is exosomatic synapse. So we have discussed in last class, an axon also they can form the synapse. But the primary organ that receive or that is information receiving center is dendrites. Next question is which of the following is not characteristics of glial cell? Which is not a characteristics of glial cell. So we know that neurons are excited cell, but glials are not excited cell. They cannot produce the axon potential, but they have the immune response. Microglial cells or microglia, they are responsible for immune response in the nervous system, and myelin sheath, oligodendrocyte, as well as Schwann cell that produce the myelin sheath, and they can modulate the growth and development or damaged neuron. They produce some of the chemicals that enhance the development and the growth of a neuron, and also they cause buffering of extracellular concentration of some ions so that neurons can function properly. So these are their function, but they cannot produce the axon potential. Third question, the elements of spinal and cranial nerve that carried axon potential command from CNS to synapse at skeletal muscle. So from CNS to the skeletal muscle, and it should be a motor neuron. And the skeletal muscle, this is under voluntary control. So which one of these? Axon of visceral efferent neurons? Definitely it's not a visceral, because skeletal muscles under voluntary control. Axon of somatic afferent neuron, afferent means sensory. Axon of somatic efferent neuron. Somatic indicates skeletal muscle, then efferent neuron, that is motor system. So this is the correct answer, C. Then the hypothalamus and thalamus are the component of which major brain division? Medulla, pons, midbrain, diencephalon, and telencephalon. So we have discussed the thalamus. They are known as a relay station. Then hypothalamus play a very significant role for physiological behavioral or different physiological mechanisms also controlled or regulated by the hypothalamus. So the major division under which it comes is diencephalon, thalamus and hypothalamus. So these are the four questions from the Cunningham Physiology. Thank you.